Just put that away, Sabine, and then you can help her get her in that stall if she needs help.
iPad.
Yeah.
What? No, and mommy.
What?
Want that weight?
Wait, Oliver.
That were, they still had their eyes closed. So he thought he had injured them because he used his backhoe to pick up a bunch of debris and they were underneath the...
Wow. So you're able to save them?
So we went back to see if they were okay, and they were, but they were, I'm like, we're not wild animals, let's take them.
Yeah.
I tried to... Bye, honey. I'll see you next time. Good job. You're doing great. You're looking good. Good job. I love that. Good. Give me a big cat.
She's. Mommy, what are you doing?
Go first so she can see. Okay. I want to see her run. Yay! I want to see her run again.
Is she walking now?
No,
Where is she?
a little bit. Oh, there she goes. See her run.
Her walking now. Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Oh, the hose?
Why is that guy? Her tail.
Yeah. She's excited.
Why?
I don't know. You hear her breathing heavy.
You're going to be